Have you ever spent money on a smoothie blender only to end up with chunky shakes, unblended frozen fruit, or a machine that's too complicated to use every morning? If you've been there, you're definitely not alone. A personal blender should make healthy eating easier, not add another chore to your day. That's exactly what the Koios 900-watt smoothie blender is trying to accomplish. The Koios Smoothie Blender is designed for busy professionals, fitness enthusiasts, students, and anyone who wants quick smoothies, protein shakes, fresh juices, or frozen drinks without pulling out a large countertop blender. Its goal is simple: fast blending, easy cleanup, and grab-and-go convenience. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the compact design stands out. Finished in a modern gray-blue color, it has a clean, minimal appearance that won't dominate your kitchen counter. Despite its small footprint, it feels solid and stable thanks to the anti-slip suction base. Instead of bulky glass pitchers, the blender includes multiple BPA-free portable cups, making it easy to blend directly into the cup you'll actually drink from. That small convenience saves both time and dishes, especially during busy mornings. Using the blender couldn't be much simpler. There aren't dozens of buttons or confusing settings to figure out. Just fill the cup with your ingredients, attach the blade assembly, lock it onto the base, and twist to blend. The one-twist operation is beginner-friendly and makes it easy for anyone to prepare healthy drinks in just a few minutes. Whether you're rushing to work, heading to the gym, or making breakfast before school, it fits naturally into a busy routine. Performance is where the Koios really impresses for its size. Powered by a 900-watt motor that reaches up to 23,000 revolutions per minute, it has enough strength to crush ice, frozen berries, bananas, protein powder, leafy greens, and other common smoothie ingredients into a smooth consistency. While it's not intended to replace a heavy-duty commercial blender, it handles everyday smoothies, milkshakes, and frozen drinks with confidence. The result is a creamy texture with fewer noticeable chunks, making healthy drinks much more enjoyable. Another feature that adds real value is everything included in the package. Instead of providing just one blending cup, Koios includes two 23-ounce travel cups and an additional 17-ounce cup, along with multiple drinking lids, sealing rings, a cleaning brush, and even a recipe guide. That means different family members can prepare their own drinks without constantly washing the same cup between uses. It's also convenient if you like preparing one smoothie for breakfast and another for after your workout. Cleaning is refreshingly easy. Since the cups and lids are dishwasher-safe, cleanup takes very little effort. If you're in a hurry, adding warm water and a drop of dish soap allows the blade assembly to rinse itself in seconds. Compared to larger countertop blenders with bulky pitchers, this saves noticeable time after every use. Of course, no blender is perfect. While the 900-watt motor handles most everyday ingredients extremely well, it's still a personal blender rather than a full-size high-performance machine. If you're regularly blending large batches of soup, thick nut butters, or dense doughs, you'll probably want a larger professional blender. Like many compact blenders, it can also temporarily shut down if it overheats during extended heavy use, although the built-in protection helps extend the motor's lifespan. Compared with similarly priced personal blenders from Ninja, NutriBullet, and Hamilton Beach, the Koios stands out by offering an impressive accessory package: multiple travel cups, simple one-twist operation, and strong blending performance for everyday use. While premium models may offer slightly more power, the Koios delivers excellent value for most households at a much more approachable price. Overall, the Koios 900-watt smoothie blender is an excellent option for anyone looking to make healthier eating more convenient. It's especially ideal for smoothie lovers, gym goers, students, busy parents, and professionals who want quick nutrition without spending extra time in the kitchen. For its price, it offers an impressive combination of performance, convenience, and portability. If this review helped you decide whether the Koios Smoothie Blender is the right choice for your kitchen, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest product reviews every week. And if you're ready to enjoy fresh smoothies in minutes, check out the link in the description to see the latest price and available deals before they're gone.